Hi, this is Miss Liza. Welcome to my channel. So, what you're gonna see today is just a Ballet Zero level of Magbalik Ka Na Mahal, one of the soulful songs of Ramahari. We'll do about 6 or 7. Okay, we'll try at least twice a week. We have a dance. So you can practice it every day and then just build your endurance and just go on with all the dances. Okay? Mind you, you have to do your warm-up, drink your water, and if you have questions on the bar, just look in YouTube. There's several artists, both local and international, who is doing free classes. Now I'm gonna show you the full dance in one go. All right? Enjoy.
Pahuwat patakman ng ulang masinsin ay lagyan ng talim. Ako ay sasayi. Di ko iindahin ang ulos at iwa ng mumunting patalim. Ang iyong kalingay kanlungang matibay, lilim
Now, you want to see it step by step? Watch. Okay, so the first figure, you have to remember, walk forward, 2, 1, 2, and then tombe, fall forward. Walk side, 1, 2, slide to second, and close. Walk back, 2, tombe back, and close. And then give me a port de bras and a squeeze with your metatarsals out like that. Just lift your heel. All right? Do that both right and left. Figure 2. Figure 2 has a 4-count intro where you just do 4 steps going around yourself, and then you pique or pose for the zeros. Pose 2 times, pose, and then fondu croisé devant. 2 times 1 and 2 fondu. Then go around, do it to the other side. Pose, pose, fondu once. Okay, then the big, nice languid music is a waltz. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a up, up, plie. Turn to the back, up, plie, and do it to the other side. Waltz, 2 and 3 and 4, going back, forward, up, down, up, down. Got it? Okay. Then the third. That was the third figure, right? So you have 3 figures. There's gonna be a bridge, like a tablier. You have a time for tablier, and then just grab your palm, put it in your cheeks. Okay, maybe just once, and then do the entire thing on the other side, or you may repeat on your favorite side. Okay, hope you got that. Just review the dance over and over again until you get it. Okay, that's a good 30-minute workout. I'll see you soon.